Looky here what came in after a month of my order getting lost. It is, oops, I'm thinking I better pick that up. Well, I'll try. I just messed my back up again. I don't know when this is going to be going on. It's probably going to take me a couple of weeks to heal. Let's see if it's even the right freaking one that I ordered. Not too pleased with the customer service, frankly. Even though it was an eBay order. After 2 weeks, I asked if the tracking number that showed it had never shipped, that was assigned the day I ordered it, if it was ever going to ship, and in what time frame. No response. Then someone came back 3 days later, 2 or 3 days later, and said, well, you know, these have to be pressure tested, so there could be a little bit longer lead time. I didn't know that. That's fine. So they get rebuilt. Apparently they're rebuilt to order. They don't actually keep them. At least this one was not on the shelf ready to go. How is this box constructed? Oh, I gotta tip it up on the short side. So the price on eBay, I think it was $119 and change. Included the core fee. If you send your core back, you get $20 back. And you get a lifetime warranty on the one that's rebuilt through Detroit Axle. And it comes with a free label. I'm not showing you that because it has my address on it. That is an L2. And that looks very nice. Very, very nice. I just have to get outer tie rod ends. So for 120 and change shipped with tax to North Carolina from Detroit Axle in Detroit. Brand new rack and pinion. Can't complain for the price. We'll see how well it holds up and how the return process goes, because the order process was a bit of a pain. I did get it, so once they realized, I think that my order had gotten missed because someone put a tracking number on it, even though it hadn't shipped. I think it confused them because the tracking number changed when they actually shipped it out. So. See, Saab on it. I do believe that this is just a. Oh, there we go. Yep. $4004842, but the part number is actually 2600455, and L2 is the chassis number for the CD, and it even includes the air crossover for the bellows, so they don't pop off from the air compression. The air flows from this side over to this one. When this one closes, you turn that way. This one compresses. This one expands. They're both the same length, so this cross tube right here helps maintain the air volume between the two boots. Well, this is going to go in eventually. I've got to get my sealing cup. There's a plastic cup and then a foam insert that mounts up against the firewall. And then we'll get this bad boy reinstalled, plumbed up. I'm going to take these plugs out right here and hook up our hoses. Nice tight steering, I hope, with no leak.